So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to create a new layer. Click on this icon, and now select the paint bucket tool, left click here, and then left click. Change the foreground color to black. I'm just going to switch between the foreground and background. And now left click. And now go to filter, render, and then select fibers. So now you can, for example, I'm going to drag the window here. Now you can change, for example, the variance. So for the variance, I'm going to, I think, make it at 15, the strength. So I'm going to reduce the strength all the way down. And this is the randomize. If you left click, it will create another, for example, let's say shape. So if I click on randomize. So now, for example, I'm going to leave it here and I press OK. And now I'm just going to go to image, adjustments, and then select levels. I'm going to drag the levels window to the right. And now I'm going to bring this black square here, bring it down to the right, sorry. So here, as you can see, it reduces the fibers effect. So if I drag this gray here, it will increase the white color, the brightness. So I'm just going to decrease it. So I think I'm going to leave it here and now press OK. And now I'm just going to change the layer mode here of this layer here. Change it to screen. And now go to filter, blur, and then select motion blur. And now I want the angle to be straight like this. So I'm just going to change the angle to 270. Press enter. So here's the arrow. And now the distance, it will increase, for example, the motion blur effect. It will give it more of a rain effect. So here it is. And now press OK. Now let's select the zoom tool. So you can still, for example, right click, duplicate the layer. It will increase the effect. And then reduce the opacity. Or you can also, for example, just select the move tool, check transform controls, and then scale it up. So here like this, and then reduce the opacity of this one here. So here it is, and now I'm going to uncheck the transform control, select the zoom tool, right click, fit the area.